Compressed and liquefied gases accidents can occur under extreme conditions and easily cause injuries like bruise, burning, or frostbite, poisoning, or suffocation. Thus, we should learn the basics about compressed and liquefied gases and take prevention measures against those accidents.
All compressed gases are one of three major categories: liquefied, non-liquefied, and dissolved gases. In the picture, the left side is compressed gas, and right side is liquefied gas. Acetylene is the only common dissolved gas, however rarely used on compass. Compressed gas cylinder labels and signs are important to help avoid accidents. So it's important that compressed gas cylinders are correctly labeled, and the students should read the labels SDS on the gas cylinder before using it.
When handling compressed gas, goggles, gloves, and full-covered shoes should all be worn at all times. Check the SDS sheet, read the shoulder labels, and inspect the area around the valve for corrosion, damage, or mechanical strain. When delivering a cylinder, bring in the trolley to the vertical position. Use both hands to roll the cylinder into position inside the trolley and immediately skew the cylinder with a chain. Cylinder stability is also important during transportation. Only the proper trolley with chains should be used, and always with the chain in place to skew the cylinder. When we move a full cylinder from the store to lab, the operation is in reverse order. Install the correct regulator on the cylinder. Add full label on it. After the regulator is attached, the cylinder valve must be opened to indicate pressure on the regulator gauge. The regulator usually has three parts: inlet gauge, pressure adjustment handle, outlet gauge. When the cylinder is used, firstly open the cylinder handle. See the pressure value of inlet gauge. Then open the regulator pressure adjustment handle. See the pressure value of outlet gauge. Finally, open the gas switch of your equipment. When close the cylinder, the operation is in reverse order.
Liquid nitrogen should be handled in well-ventilated areas. Use cryogenic storage duvals which can withstand the low temperatures. The gauge shows the pressure in duvals. Insulation gloves are required. Handle the liquid nitrogen slowly. Boiling and splashing always occur when filling a warm container with a cryogenic liquid or when inserting objects into these liquids. Use tongs to withdraw objects immersed in a cryogenic liquid to minimize boiling and splashing.
Correct operations can help us reduce experimental risk. However, when we unfortunately face gas leakage or fire accident, what should we do? If the bottle valve is not closed, strictly close it and transfer it to a ventilated open space, isolating the fire source. If we are handling toxic gas, it is better to put on your gas mask. Toxic gas leakage should be immersed in lime water or water. If the leakage catches fire, move adjacent cylinders to a safe distance, cool the cylinder, and then put out the fire. If there is an emergency, we should evacuate the personnel to the windward side, warn people to avoid the affected area, and inform campus security at 6874-1616. Do not enter the building until you have been told it is safe to do so.